Number 12. Which act is considered prohibited, pinagbabawal, sa RA 6713? Is it letter A, disclosure of confidential information for personal gain? Is it letter B, using public funds for government programs? Is it letter C, filing taxes honestly? Or letter D, reporting violations to the ombudsman? So ano po dito yung bawal? Okay? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So isa lang ang sumagot, sabi ni Clark, letter A. Now, tandaan ninyo, we do have the right to information. But remember, your right is limited by the rights of others. Ano ibig sabihin ng right to information doon? Ano ibig sabihin ng batas na right to information doon? It means that the citizens does have the right to demand transparency from the government. They can ask for public documents such as contracts with different contractors for their projects. Yes. Kaya nga po may access ang media sa mga kontrata ng DPWH. Kasi nga, ito po ay isang public document. At yun ay karapatan natin bilang isang tao na makita kung anong mga transaksyon na meron ng gobyerno. Yun nga lang, syempre, ay hindi ito accessible kadalasan sa isang normal na individual. Kaya nga, I do agree, hindi ko alam kung anong inyong political affiliation, I do agree with what we call the Cadena Law or the blockchain law, in which infrastructure and other government projects will be given a particular, let's say, QR code that any people could check. So kahit sinong tao maaari nilang i-check sa internet kung magkano yung budget na nakaalat doon sa project na yon. Halimbawa tulay, may QR code yon. I-check lang ng tao, makikita nila magkano ginastos, okay, at ano yung dami ng mga materials na ginamit. So sa ganung paraan, hindi lang si media ang may access doon sa information ng government. Okay? So lahat na ay may access doon. At sa ganung paraan, maaari nating ma-question sa social media at ma-force yung mga maanumalya ng mga kontrata para imbestigahan ng ating gobyerno. However, ito po yung limitasyon. Disclosure of confidential information for personal gain. Yes, you do have the right to information, but you do not have the right to have the information of other people. Your rights are limited by the rights of others because just like you, people have the right to privacy. So meron silang right to privacy. Anong example po nun? Like their personal information such as their birthday, their other things na iniingatan, address, at iba pa. So bilang government employee minsan ay may pagkakataon na nag-iingat tayo ng mga ganitong impormasyon. Halimbawa sa LTO, ano po, nagpo-proseso tayo ng iba't ibang mga lisensya. So meron tayong access sa iba't ibang pribadong impormasyon ng mga citizen. Pero hindi natin pwede itong isiwalat sa ibang tao kasi protektado ito ng ating batas. So merong particular na batas na poprotekta dito, that is the Data Privacy Act. Now, how about po yung personal information ko bilang isang public servant? Dapat ko po ba itong i-disclose sa public? Bilang isang public servant, I do have or I am mandated, halimbawa, to make sure that my assets and liabilities are exposed to the public through what we call the SALN or the Statement of Assets and Liabilities. So yes, maraming personal information na nandoon, pero bilang isang public servant, you are obligated to be transparent and show what your properties are. Ano po? So, yun.